Hello friends, welcome to the math session. Today we are going to discuss on quadratic equation. Before proceeding, I would request you to watch our previous video on quadratic equation, which will help you to understand this topic in a better way. So let's start the session. Let us assume that you have studied this chapter today in your school, or you have missed this chapter due to some reasons, or you are going to study this chapter for the first time. So friends, we will see the content of this chapter and try to solve them from first exercise to last exercise. Today we will take the first exercise. In first exercise, you will come to know about the following terms: definition of quadratic equation, standard form of quadratic equation, how to identify quadratic equation. First, we will see what is an equation. A mathematical expression written in the form of x and y, which is equal to 0, is called as an equation, where x and y can be any real numbers, or an expression which is written equal to 0 or any other expression is an equation. Equal sign means same, from which the word equation has formed. In an equation, the equal sign is placed between two or more expressions that have the same value. In place of x and y, there can be any alphabets like L, M, N, and many more. Here are few examples. If an equation seems to be in this way, then how will be the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is the equation of the second degree. That is, it contains at least one term which is squared, or the equation whose highest power of the variable is 2. First we will see the standard form of quadratic equation, and then we will solve few questions based on it. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation in which a, b and c are the real numbers. Always keep in mind that a will never be equal to 0. And here are few examples. All the examples are looking similar to the standard form of the equation, right? So till now we have understood what is quadratic equation and its standard form. So now I hope we all are prepared to solve our first exercise. In first exercise, you will see this type of questions. Identify whether the given equations are quadratic equations or not. We just have to simplify these equations, because unless and until it will not come in its standard form, we will not be able to identify it. Friends, if you will see carefully, left hand side of this equation is seen to be sorted, but we need to simplify the right hand side. On the left hand side, we have x square minus 2x, and when we will simplify the right hand side, minus 2 will get multiplied by 3 and we will get minus 6 and minus 2, and minus 2 will get multiplied by x, we get plus 2x. Friends, be careful about the plus and minus sign. You can lose marks if you lose focus on minus and plus sign. Now, when we will take this to the left hand side, it will come in its standard form and we will get x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0, which will become x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. And now we can see that our first equation is a quadratic equation. So friends, now you must have understood how to solve these questions for the first exercise, right? Now try to solve the next question along with me and just verify whether we are getting the same answer. So let's solve our next question. Now we will simplify it on both the sides. When we multiply 3x with x, we get 3x square. 3x into minus 3, minus 9x. Then minus x minus 1 into minus 3 will be plus 3. is equal to x into x will be x square, x into minus 1 will be minus x, 5x minus 5. Before taking the equation to the left hand side, we will again simplify it. 3x square minus 9x minus x will be minus 10x plus 3 is equal to x square minus x plus 5x will be plus 4x minus 5. Now we will take this to the left hand side. While taking the terms to the left hand side, keep in mind that we will write the alike terms together so that it would be easy for solving further. With 3x square, we will write x square, which will become 3x square minus x square. With 10x, we will write minus 4x, as 4x is shifted to left hand side, so it will be minus 4x. Plus 3 and minus 5 when shifted will become plus 5 is equal to 0. Next step will be 3x square minus x square will become 2x square minus 14x plus 8 equal to 0. So friends, second equation is also a quadratic equation. Now, without wasting any time, we will have to solve all the questions. Let's solve the third equation. Before solving the equation, I would like to tell you that to solve these equations, you must know the identities, that is a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. If you don't remember all these formulas, then you may have difficulty while solving the questions. So, if you are solving the first exercise of quadratic equation, then you must remember all these formulas. So, when we will simplify the left hand side, we get x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. And when we will simplify the right hand side, we get 2x cube minus 2x. Similarly, on further simplification, at the end we will get minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? No, because here the highest degree of variable x is 3. Friends, these were a few questions based on first exercise, which was very easy, isn't it? Now, try to solve the next question on your own and write your answer in the comment box whether the equation is quadratic equation or not. And with this, we complete our first exercise of the quadratic equation. If you have any queries or you want solutions for any questions related to this chapter, then you can click on the link mentioned in the description box. In our next session, we are going to solve few questions based on second exercise, and we will see how to find the value of x by solving quadratic equation using factorization method. Friends, meet you in the next session with more such interesting videos. If the video was good enough, then please like and share the video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.